Hello and welcome to our discussion on using ChatGPT to write and make money from ebooks. If you're an aspiring author looking to break into the world of digital publishing, ChatGPT can be an incredibly powerful tool to help you create high-quality content and reach a wider audience. In this video, we'll go over the step-by-step process for using GPT to write and sell your ebook on platforms like Etsy, Amazon, and more. Let's get started. Ebooks are a popular and lucrative way to share your knowledge and expertise, and many platforms allow you to self-publish and sell your digital content. But writing an ebook can be a time-consuming and challenging task. That's where ChatGPT comes in. ChatGPT, or Generative Pre-trained Transformer, is a type of artificial intelligence technology that uses machine learning to generate human-like responses to prompts. It may be used to generate material for ebooks and other digital publications, making high-quality content creation easier and faster. Here's how you can use ChatGPT to write and make money from your ebook. Choose your topic. First, decide on a topic that you're passionate about and that has the potential to sell. Research your audience and see what kinds of ebooks are popular in your niche. Outline your ebook. Once you have a clear idea of what you want to write about, create an outline to organize your thoughts and ideas. This will help you stay on track and ensure that your ebook has a clear structure and flow. Use ChatGPT to generate content. As you work on your ebook, use ChatGPT to generate ideas, prompts, and even entire sections of content. You can use GPT to help you brainstorm, research, and write more efficiently. Edit and revise your ebook. Once you have a draft of your ebook, it's important to take the time to revise and edit your work. This will help you catch any mistakes and ensure that your ebook is polished and professional. Publish and market your ebook. Once you're happy with your ebook, it's time to self-publish and start marketing your work. There are several platforms and tools you can use to sell your ebook, including Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, Kobo Writing Life, and Smashwords. Make sure to use SEO-optimized titles and descriptions, and consider using social media, email marketing, and other tactics to promote your ebook. Writing and making money from an ebook can be a rewarding and lucrative venture. And ChatGPT can help you create high-quality content and reach a wider audience more efficiently. By following these steps and utilizing the power of GPT, you can turn your writing dreams into a reality. Thanks for watching.